What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on HOFV stock. First of all, brief summary about this company. Hall of Fame Resort Entertainment Company, a resort and entertainment company doing business as the Pro Football Hall of Fame. It owns the premier sports, entertainment and media enterprise surrounding the Pro Football Hall of Fame in Canton, Ohio. And for now, its total market cap is $333.14 million, and they have a revenue of $7.1 million with a net income of $71.29 million. They have total cash of $7.15 million with a total debt of $98.9 million, and the current ratio is 2.19. So on their website, let me show you the press release that was just recently published, and I want to pay your attention on these two recent press releases. First of all, let's start with the fourth quarter and full year 2020 results. And here is the summary, and let me quote these key points. Beginning with the Gordon Point merger, the company will have raised over $100 million in new equity between the merger and first quarter 2021. The full year 2020 revenue of $7.1 million and fourth quarter revenue growth of 4% to $1.8 million. So, despite of pandemic hit, they have an increase in revenue of 4%. For this type of activity, I think it is a very good sign for them. Of course, in 2020 they have a net loss of $71.3 million and the fourth quarter net loss of $14.6 million. And their full year adjusted EBITDA was loss of $20.5 million, and the fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA was a loss of $6.5 million. And let me show you that they have business highlights, and it is a fourth quarter business highlights and subsequent to year-end highlights. And just pay attention on the first words in this sentence: signed, 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 partnered, agreement, signed, opened, secured, closed, converted. So they are very active during even fourth quarter. And that's why I think it is a very good sign for company that they still working despite of pandemic hit. And imagine how cool will be their results after the ending of this pandemic. And here is their presentation. And let me show you this slide, and it is an industry outlook. In 2018, global market for fantasy sports was $13.9 billion, and global markets expected to reach $33.2 billion by the end of 2025, with the compound annual growth rate of 13.2% through 2025. And I think it is a great opportunity for the company that they are in this sector. And despite of all the problems during the pandemic, they are still active and they are growing their business. So the second news is this one, and Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company signs a partnership with Dolphin Entertainment. And here is this news, and it says Hall of Fame Resort Entertainment Company today announced it has signed a partnership with Dolphin Entertainment Incorporated, a leading independent entertainment marketing and premium content development firm, to offer non-fungible tokens that will allow fans of professional football and sports entertainment to buy and sell exclusive content developed by HOFV and its partners. The partnership provides the company with another way to generate revenue from its burgeoning media division. And let me quote this information. "We are thrilled to be partnering with Dolphin, an emerging thought leader in the NFT market, to accelerate our entry into the space," said Michael Crawford, President and CEO of HOFV. "The significant progress we have made on our strategic initiatives since going public in July 2020 has allowed us to be in a position where we can offer individuals the opportunity to own NFTs associated with original content centered on a professional football. This partnership will provide us with another opportunity to unlock additional value from the one-of-a-kind media projects we have in development." And this is huge news, because all the NFT markets, they are booming right now, and this is just the first partnership in this area, in this industry, and that's why I think it will be very indicative for other companies, for other type of sports to enhance their activity in this area. And let me show you this paragraph. We are on Motley Fool, and this is the only paragraph that I want to quote you. There could certainly be strong demand for NFL-themed NFTs. NBA Top Shot is one of the most successful NFT platforms, and the fans have already spent more than $200 million on NBA-related digital collectibles. Football is even more popular than the NBA, and if the NFL does choose Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment to head up its NFT initiative, it could be boon for the company. And in my opinion, this area is completely new for all of the companies, because NFTs, it is a new type of tokens. Let me show you what are they about. A non-fungible token is a unit data on a digital ledger called a blockchain, where each NFT can represent a unique digital item, and thus they are not interchangeable. NFTs can represent digital files such as art, audio, videos, items, and video games and other forms of creative work. While the digital files themselves are infinitely reproducible, the NFTs representing them are tracked on their underlying blockchains and provide buyers with proof of ownership. So NFT, it is some kind of digital mark that can provide the owner with the authenticity of its product. And that's why we have this information among institutional investors. As you can see, we are on fintel.io, and we have more green lines than the red ones, and these lines indicates that these companies, they are buying, and in my opinion, it is a very good sign for the company and for the stock. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So as you can see, we have a huge surge in price for more than 200% during last couple of weeks from this bottom on March the 5th. And from the top, we have declined for about 32%. And let me show you my Elliott wave breakdown. It's not so easy to make this breakdown. Nevertheless, I think we might have something like this. This was the first wave, second. This is the third one. For now, we are retracing the fourth, and we have to have one more leg to the upside. This is just my opinion, and I might be completely wrong, but this is what I see for now. Let me switch to 2-hour time frame. As you can see, on extended hours, we have this huge surge in price, and according to Elliott wave theory, we might have internal waves, something like this. And this is the fifth wave. Let me down the degree of this wave, and that's why I think third wave might be right here, and fourth wave we have to determine in the future. So for now we have this information, and that's why I think we might measure the retracement of this entire structure. And I take a Fibonacci retracement tool, pull it from the bottom of the wave to the top of this wave. And as you can see, we might hit these levels according to Elliott wave theory. And these levels might be your entry points, potential entry points, if you decide to invest in this company. Just be extremely cautious, because you can see the huge volatility of this asset. And this implies that it is a high risk, high reward trade, and high risk, high reward investment. And that's why you have to use just a fraction of your money and ladder your buys down. Always ladder your buys down in order to receive a better price for the future gains. Let me show you indicators. On a 2-hour time frame, we can see bearish divergence, lower highs on RSI and higher highs on the price action. We have almost the same situation on the MACD, but we don't have enough data because we have to see a curvature on the second heel, and this curvature might be lower than the previous one, and this might imply bearish divergence as well. So according to this data, we might have some pullback, and this is the levels of potential landing the fourth wave. And on a 4-hour time frame, we can see almost the same situation. So Let me show you a little bit closer this price action, and this is key levels when you might enter your position. Just a fraction of your money you might enter at 0.236, and in my opinion we will poke through this level easily. Next point will be at 0.382, and in my opinion we might also poke it through, and this is the most probable zone of potential landing the wave and the trend reversal. And unfortunately we might hit even 0.786 level with the $3.44 price, because it is still a very volatile stock, and it is still have to be retraced for some levels. So in my opinion this is the key levels for your entry price if you decide to invest in this company. And I think that's it for now. Subscribe to my channel with notification bell, hit the like button, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!